Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the color match feature in the CapCut mobile. So if you guys didn't know, there is a new feature, color match, that you can find under the adjust menu here at the bottom. This is the color match. So the color match will allow you to do some color matching with the source that you chose. So here, by clicking on the color match, you need to add the source first. I'm going to click on plus icon, and here you can select from videos, or you can also upload it. So I'm going to use this color palette as the color match, and in here you can adjust the intensity. You can see now the coloring of the video will follow the source that I selected. Okay, so adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 100. Let's go back and click on a check icon. So that's how you can do some color grading by using the color match in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.